Okay, welcome back guys. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I gained 30 pounds within 3 months or just under 3 months. Today I have here is 4 eggs, a can of tuna, and 2 chicken patties. The reason why I have 4 eggs is because that's just protein. Tuna, protein, and the chicken patties is because the texture, because this is all mush right here. And it's like that crunch adds that extra texture and flavor to it. And I also add the sriracha because it kind of lacks a little flavor. Here's a closer look. Is that good? Can you see it pretty good?
Pretty.
You saw it all good or no?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay, well, let's see how it tastes. I also added a little avocado, but it was kind of overripened and it was kind of ugly.
Do you at least put salt and pepper on the eggs?
No. Well, it has everything else, like the sriracha, the tuna. It's fine.
Come on. The eggs.
That's calories right there.
Exactly. Isn't that what you want?
I guess. Actually, I don't even think it's calories. I don't think salt has calories in it. I think it's just...
I think it's 0 calories. If not, at least 5.
Just not high on sodium, I guess.
Yes. So you're eating unseasoned eggs.
That's fine. We got sriracha for it.
There's sriracha on it, but still unseasoned eggs.
Here's some photos right here of me like first starting to work out. And here's me like within 3 months. I was kind of fat, I'm not gonna lie, at 3 months, but at the time I thought I was super swole. But I was kind of chubby. But then here's a video of me like, or a photo of me like a year later. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool transformation because I was able to like bulk up, then I was able to cut. Got pretty shredded. I weighed like around 180.
Wow, you gotta show all your spicy photos.
Not spicy, progress photos.
Yeah. But they kind of spicy.
Yeah, they work at it.
Show off.
Well, I want to help them.
Your little show off while showing off.
Well, yeah.
It's a nice crunch.
I need some water. Need some water.
What do you do? I like it.
Just water.
You die.
Whoa, okay. Okay, never mind, I thought it was over. Oh, well, fun fact though, like I know in the thumbnail there was like protein powder. I actually never take protein powder. I just ate all my protein. Because I thought it was just a waste of money, just drinking and buying the powder when you could just eat it. But then again, I realized that it's actually like beneficial because you just able to consume it so fast and the quantity of it. And especially if you don't like eating. Because I know some friends who don't like eating. And it's very hard for them to like put on mass. Feel bad for them. Because eating is the best.
You know, we had that conversation. I was like, eating's fun. And you're like, I think your definition of eating is different. Your definition of fun is different from how I think it.
Yeah, because you're such a picky eater though.
But it's still fun.
Nothing wrong with that. Try to get all the protein.
Get happy plate. Yay.
Okay, there you have it. I would rate that solid 7.5. 7.5. Delicious, amazing. I think in the past I would used to eat 5 eggs instead of 4. I think I could have done 5, but I thought my appetite shrunk because I've been getting older. And you saw how I did with the chicken nuggets. Pathetic. I ate 44. That's pathetic. But at this time, stay tuned. If you liked it, leave a like. If you didn't like it, leave a dislike. Well, hope to see you next time. Have a good one.